Today we're starting our journey from China's Kubuqi Desert, a place people once called not just a desert, but the Sea of Death, because here, life meant slowly fading away. Every year, nearly 500,000 acres of land silently got buried under sand. Fertile fields turned into desert right before their eyes. Trees dried up, and people were forced to flee their homes. All around, just sand dunes and scorching winds, and a silence that screamed life was losing the fight. But the scariest part? This desert wouldn't stop. It kept spreading. Entire villages, farms, roads, everything vanishing under sand. This process even has a name: desertification. Simply put, where life once thrived, only desert takes over. Kubuqi was one of its biggest examples. Back then, it spread so fast it seemed unstoppable. But China didn't quit. They tried planting trees, built sand control stations, launched massive projects, poured in billions. Yet this ocean of sand wouldn't be tamed. No matter the effort, it felt like they were losing. Deserts have a terrifying trait. Once they grow, stopping them is brutal. Right then, one man stepped up with an idea that made everyone laugh at first. His name, Wang Yuping. He kicked off something crazy. Spent all his savings, took loans, pure madness. Brought over 100 bulldozers, 300 workers. Day after day, 18 hours straight. On the desert sand, he built tiny squares with dried straw. Then planted willow trees inside. Not ordinary trees. Their roots dig 300 feet deep for water. Where no other tree survives, these create a chance. But the problem? Desert winds so fierce new trees couldn't last. Winds whipped up sand, dried out every drop of moisture. Trees died before living. So Wang used a new trick. Straw walls to block direct wind, trap humidity inside. This tiny idea sparked massive change. People still laughed. This guy's nuts planting in a desert. But he didn't stop. Not one day, two, not even years. Slowly, some trees took root. Roots hit deep. Sand started halting. The impossible felt possible bit by bit. Then came the next huge hurdle. Trees needed constant care, pruning new shoots or they'd weaken, not grow strong. In this vast desert, near impossible. Human labor, sky-high costs, endless time. Who'd handle it? That's when imagination took a wild turn no one saw coming. The job humans couldn't do? Tiny creatures took over, rabbits. Special breed, Rex rabbits, called white gold. Their fur so soft, valuable. A good pelt sells for $30, costs just $2 to raise. 15x return per animal. But that's not the real story. It's in their habit. Rex rabbits love munching young, tender willow shoots. As they grazed, main trunks grew thicker, stronger, permanent. The pruning humans slaved over? Rabbits did it effortlessly. Not done yet. Their poop, super potent natural fertilizer. Dead soil started breathing again. Another twist, they ate grass but couldn't fully digest seeds. Seeds spread back via droppings. Soon, grass sprouted where only sand lay. A cycle formed. Nature and animals teamed up. Sand stabilized. Soil held moisture. Winds lost power. Years later, the dead desert turned green. Change didn't stop at environment, it hit lives. Locals got rabbit farming incentives. Homes became mini farms. Fur sold, trees yielded materials, income flowed. Those who fled returned. Year after year it spread. One day, a huge chunk of Kubuqi turned lush green. The Sea of Death, reborn. Wang didn't stop. Built a massive solar plant in the heart, 196,000 panels, in a galloping horse shape. Generates 2.3 billion kW yearly. Enough for 400,000 people. Twist? Panels don't just make power, they cut wind speed 50%, cast shade. Underneath, grass grows. Rabbits, sheep, ducks graze. A new ecosystem where tech and nature sync. Today, this model's not just China's. Spain, Africa, Middle East follow it. The biggest lesson? No matter how much people laugh at you, stay locked on your goal. Why ditch dreams for mockery? Everyone big got ridiculed first. Now the choice is yours. Welcome to the truth.